We all know how devastating a disease cancer can be, with an estimated 21 new patients diagnosed every hour in Canada last year. Now, many tumors can be removed through surgery, which allows patients to return to their normal lives fairly quickly. However, metastatic disease, which is when a tumor has spread to other organs or tissues, remains a huge problem because by the time we can actually see or find these tumors, they've grown to a very large size. By this time, the patient's prognosis tends to be very poor, as they now have multiple large tumors all over their body, with many in areas that we can no longer access by surgery. Now, inside each and every person in this room live cells with the ability to eliminate cancer cells. Your immune system is a very powerful thing, and it's thought that all healthy people have probably had cancer cells develop in their body at some point. But their immune system is capable of recognizing and eliminating that threat long before it ever becomes an issue. Unfortunately, when people do develop cancer, the tumor has evolved many ways of hiding from the immune system. Where our research comes in is we essentially retarget the immune system to be able to recognize, attack, and destroy tumor cells. Now, these cells do exist naturally throughout the body. However, they're very rare and can be difficult, if not impossible, to find. Instead, we have turned to engineering white blood cells called T cells that are found in abundance in your bloodstream to recognize proteins found on the surface of tumor cells. In a process called adoptive cell therapy, we isolate these T cells, engineer them to express a receptor capable of recognizing these surface tumor proteins, grow these cells to large numbers, and reinfuse those back into the tumor-bearing individual. Now, T cells are very potent tools, as they naturally circulate throughout the body looking for their target cells. This enables them to seek out and destroy tumor cells we may not otherwise be able to find. By transferring large numbers of these tumor-reactive cells, we can overcome the tumor's ability to hide from the immune system. In our work, we have been able to successfully retarget several different types of T cells to recognize multiple different tumor-expressed proteins. We have found that this engineering of T cells can result in selective ability to recognize their target cells. This recognition by the T cells activates the T cell and results in rapid destruction of the tumor cell. Overall, we feel that engineered T cells represent a promising therapeutic option, especially for advanced cancers. Thank you.